On this episode of Roofing Gone Bad or Roofing Gone Wrong, classic roof over. Looks like one layer right here, but if you look up under, there's a bit of a void. There's another piece of edge metal under there, so it looks like 2 layer for sure. It's a little rainy, so this will be a quick video. First glance up here. This tarp has been here for a while. I have no idea how long. It's blown away. You can definitely tell the color of the gray versus this here. It's all wet, so that's not the issue. This has got a blue-green algae developed over time. I don't know how long that's been there, and of course it's blown off. You have a, well, an asbestos chimney, but it was a roof over. They never tucked anything. Same with the pipe boot. Speaking of pipe boot, that's upside down, it's backwards. But because they never tucked the second layer on any of these here, you got massive leakage going on. You got rotted wood. Let's see if we can't step right here. Yeah, that'll just fall through if I put any weight on it. Water's going in. They're relying on caulking tar to seal it. Not a good idea, not a good practice. Caulking down the valley in an attempt to try to stop it. Got a hole over here. You can definitely see the second layer down there now. You can see the second or the first layer of edge metal there. I mean, if you're gonna do a roof over, please, people, just remove your pipe boots, remove your boots, remove your flashing, your chimney, whatever you got, any kind of shingle tucking under a flange, remove it. Simply reinstall it even if you don't buy a new one. You won't have these issues develop. To do a roof over, you don't just literally roof over everything and call it good. Pretty expensive mistake. Now it's all got to be stripped down. Going to be an extensive amount of bad wood back here because they said the inspector found a bunch of black mold up under all this section on the whole back half of the house. So even though it's only really rotted through the valley around these utilities and that valley there, it's all got to be redone now. All because they never tucked some things. I feel bad. It happens a lot. Every day I go on many calls where things are just simply done wrong. There's a house I was at a couple weeks ago, that green one down there, and I called because they had a leak. Same thing. They just roofed over all the box vents and everything. Leaks coming in everywhere. Just did not retuck everything. It's a bad idea. Don't do it. I mean, you can, just do it right. I mean, maybe I need to shoot a video on proper re-roof and then tag it in this. Put a card up here. So if you're searching a roof over, yes, you can do it, but definitely check your local code. Here in Indiana, at least in my town, you can. I would never advise this. Put a 3rd layer over. Stupid idea. But if you're going to do a second, at least remove everything flashing-wise. Just install new pipe boots or use the old, but tuck under it. At the least, tuck under it. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's it. Just tuck under it. Until next time, be safe. See you then. Don't do a roof over. Just remove it all. Have a good one.